Hello my crafty friends, Jellybean, and I wanted to come. This is week 2 of Alicia and I's Baby Shower Collab for Toni CraftPurge, and I wanted to come and show you the container I made for Toni this week. Last week I made the embellishment box, which I will link that video and have the little eye up in the corner, and y'all can click on it and go see the video that I showed the details of the embellishment box. But this week, I'm sorry I'm late. First of all, I'm sorry about that. Y'all know the details. I'm not gonna go over it every video, but anyway, I wanted to go ahead and come on here and show you what I've created this week. This week, we were to create a container, a baby themed container for the baby's room. So what I did, I originally was going to do something bigger and better and everything, but I didn't get to do that. So what I come up with is I made this little container right here, which is to hold cotton balls and Q-tips. And I'm not gonna open it. I'm trying to leave it new for the baby and everything, but you can see on the bottom here the cotton balls and Q-tips and little swab things that are in there. And I just decorated it with the same paper that I used for the embellishment box and the lace, and I put it on here. I put this bling sticker on the front, and I put the same tassel stuff, just a little bit longer, that I did around the box here. I used here the same Chinese braid here. I did add this ribbon here to cover the top where the paper met the lid. And then on top, it's plain on the back. Just on the top, I put these foam roses, and I added some little foliage in there. I got a little baby bottle and a couple binkies with some pearl sprays, and I put a couple little pearl hearts. And I thought that would be cute for her to have in the baby's room to keep her Q-tips, because everybody knows when you have a new baby, you need Q-tips and cotton balls and all that good kind of stuff. So this is what I've created for week 2 for the Baby Shower Collab. And y'all go check out all the other ladies that are participating. They have come up with some really nice containers for the baby's room, and their links will be below, so y'all go check them out. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.